day, guys. Kakatapos ko lang ng liguan si baby. Lilinisin ko yung eyes niya. Lilinisin ko yung eyes niya, guys, kasi may nakuha siyang virus galing sa hospital. And sabi nila mawawala lang daw to within 3 to 4 weeks. Pero meron pa siya ngayon. Pang 4 weeks na. But it's not really a big concern kasi common daw to sa mga baby. Yung pagmumuta ng eyes. In fairness, sa kanya kagabi pinatulog kami. Pinatulog niya ako ng 4 hours straight. Kaya magandang gising ko. And naalagaan ko siya ng mas mabuti pag maganda ang tulog ko. Actually, tapos na siya mag-breastfeed. Naggawa lang ako ng milk in case na gusto niya magdede. Kasi gusto niya talaga agad-agad. Andiyan na yung niya, milk. So, cotton lang to, guys. And lukewarm water. Ganyan yung eyes niya, oh. Yung mga muta-muta. Ayan. Ganyan siya. So, tinatanggal ko siya kasi hindi nakaka-cute, love, no? Pero nung last few weeks, mas grabe siya, guys. Ito, okay na to. Last few weeks talaga, it was like wet. And then, palagi siyang nagmumuta. Kaya palagi ko din siyang nililinis yung mata niya. Ngayon, once a day ko na lang siya nililinis. Ganda pa naman ang pilik mata nito. Hindi kasi ako nakakain kanina kasi nagpa-bebe naman yung baby ko. Ayan siya. Mamaya ko nalilinisin yung bed namin dahil mag-chill muna ako doon. Maghiga-higa and mag-edit ko lang video. In fairness sa kanya kagabi, pinatulog niya ako ng 4 hours straight. And then, umiyak lang siya. And then, nag-breastfeed ako. And then, natulog siya ulit. Nagising siya around 9. So, diba? Tayo na talaga nag-improve. May improvement si baby. So, I was so happy that I got that sleep. Because I really think I need that sleep. Alam niyo naman si Devin while he's sleeping, he snores. So, hindi madali sa akin makabalik pagtulog once na gising. Matagal akong nakakatulog ulit. Lalo na nung merong baby na ako. So good, perfect. Kulang siya konti ng asukar. Breakfast ko ngayon is yung leftover lang from last night na pork chop. Kasi hindi kasi kumain ng pork chop si Devin. Nag-frikandel siya last night. Kasi ayaw niya ng pork chop. Mainit lang yung rice ko. Kailangan pag hindi mainit yung pork. Diba yung pork chop ko sunog pa. Kain na ako, guys. Siya matulog, guys. So, marunong na siyang tumagilid. Ayan, siya lang yan. Dito ko siya nilagay sa sa bed namin. Dito kami natutulog, right? Dito ko siya nilagay. Pag nagnanap lang kami, dito ko siya nilalagay. Pero pag yung natutulog sa gabi, dito na siya. Para alam niya kung daytime or nighttime. Pero kinlose ko yung curtain kasi mainit sa labas and it's 20 degree dito sa loob. At baka mainitan si Devin mamaya pag uwi niya. Evening everyone! Mommy and I just woke up. Toch? We just woke up, toch? Look at the pretty eyes. We just woke up, guys, from nap, and he just finished eating as well. And soon we will be eating our dinner. Devin just woke Sanji. Pam pam param pam parararam pam pam param da 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 da. He was actually napping for 3 hours, and then he woke up to eat. So that's a good sign, kasi before he's just like gonna nap for 2 hours and then looking for milk and then sleep again, then 2 hours again. So we're seeing some improvement. We're seeing some improvement, my love. That baby has a lot of hair. He didn't burp yet. Where's your eyebrow now? You didn't get mommy's eyebrow. Hey, Sanji. His eyes look so pretty in the camera, though. So round. So what happened to Sanji, love? Can you explain to them?
What was it called again?
Anal abscess.
He had diarrhea yesterday, and then I guess he pushed so hard that it popped because his analklieren, anal sacs were not clean anymore. So it popped. Then we cleaned it in the water, and then it popped. Did it clean from it popped from when we washed? Because it was hard.
I think so. And the water is warm.
So is it bad or good?
No idea.
Because she told me today to not make it too wet.
Yeah.
So yeah, now he's sad because probably his butt is hurting.
Yep.
He's gonna be in pain for a few days.
Yep.
But in 1 week it's gonna be better.
Yeah. So dinala ni Devin si Sanji kanina sa sa vet dahil ayun nga si Sanji is meron siyang sa kanyang butt. Palagi siyang nagka-diarrhea. Ano na pala yun? Parang symptoms na ata yun sa sa kanyang thing. Pero akala namin lang yun sa mga kinakain niya kasi palagi namin siyang binibigyan ng table. So ayun, namin siya, pina-emergency check-up namin siya kanina. And ayun nga, pinutok nila yung yung anal sac, yeah. And then next Friday babalik na naman si Devin because ipapap nila yung isang sac sa kanyang anal para malinis siya. And as of now, may mga si Sanji, meron siyang medication. Meron siyang antibiotics, meron siyang painkiller. What is this, love? Is this the painkiller?
Yeah.
Okay, so ito yung painkiller niya para kay Sanji. And meron siyang food, special food para yung stool niya is soft, no diarrhea, but soft to make easier for him to do his business. Meron siyang antibiotics and yeah, yun. So yun na yun. Yun na yun. Kaya oh well, babalik pa kami babalik pa si Dava next week. And it's an expensive month again. Well, but now it's like the more expensive because, you know, the unexpected of Sanji.
Yeah.
Yeah, so right now, nag-marinate ako ng ano guys, pang barbecue, pero sa, ano ko siya, ipapan fry ko siya. Nakita ko lang to sa TikTok. So, gagayahin ko and lalagyan ko siya ng cucumber and onion. Kagabi guys, sa ano pala natulog si Devin sa sofa. And ako sa ano sa kwarto namin. Hindi pwedeng ano si Sanji. Hindi siya pwedeng pumunta sa aming bed muna kasi ayun nga napop yung ano niya, yung kanyang butt anal. So ayaw naman naming magkaano yung bed namin, baka in case just to be safe for the baby kasi ang baby is natutulog sa aming ano, sa aming bed. Well, nilalagyan ko naman siya ng kanyang banig. I don't know what's banig in Tagalog. Basta nilalagyan namin siya ng sarili niyang banig sa aming bed. Sa akin lang to guys, kasi si Devin, ang kakainin niya is yung ano, pickle. Love, your oven is already hot. Sobrang difficult maging parents, guys. But, hindi na lang magbait si Devin. It's hard for us, for lazy people. Alam niyo naman na tamad kaming dalawa ni Devin. So, it's really a big change for us.
So is it gonna be 10 minutes for your food?
No.
How long?
20 minutes.
20?
Yep.
But 10 minutes ago it was also 20 minutes.
Yung mga ano namin, ang gawaing bahay, si Devin na ang gumagawa. Saturday and Sunday. And ako naman, focus ko is yung baby. Guys, eto na siya ang aking nagawa. And papaliksan natin siya ng bahaw. Masarap siya. So, hindi siya kasing sarap ng, you know, when you cook it in, ano, in charcoal. Sumba ba?
Now it's right.
I was thinking already, oh, it looks, it feels so calm. I was already thinking it feels so calm. Oh, it's right.
Whoa, what is that? What is a judging look? Sorry for having glasses. Hello, it's me, it's Papa. It's me, it's Papa. Yeah.
We're gonna eat our dinner. You wanna taste this one, babe?
Yeah.
With onion?
Yeah. And without the bone or chewy meat.
Sour?
No, yummy.
Yeah?
Mm.
Good, right?
It's actually good. Why are you smiling? Did you do something with that part?
Yeah.
Or you just thought I would not like it?
Yeah.
You like that one? Sorry. He was looking at me like, and then he went.
Papa is a bully.
You smell the butt, Sanji. Yeah, you did. What is that, redhead?
Sleepy.
If you're sleepy, you should. Oh, yeah. No, yes, he's getting like a square face from the chubby cheeks. He's going like this. Yeah, oh, sorry, I didn't mean to bully you all.
He's really my son, oy.
What's so noisy or why?
Gets what he wants.
Yeah, that's true.
Sir, wait lang, sir. Here you go.
Don't look at my hairline and know it's not going to be like yours.
Do you like smoked food? Smoked fish?
I don't know if I like smoked food though.
There's something fell in the situation namin ngayon, guys. Dito ako sa bed natutulog. And si Devin doon siya natutulog sa sa aming living room. And inano namin lahat ng aming lahat ng aming bed sheet and clothes, blankets. Inano namin siya winash namin, and chinek namin yung ni Sanji kanina. Chinek namin yung kanyang wounds sa kanyang anal area, and it's not yet good. So si Devin doon pa rin siya matutulog sa living room dahil sasama niya si Sanji. Ayaw niyang mag-isa si Sanji matulog sa floor. So ako, mag-isa na lang ako matutulog dito sa aming bed ngayon. But anyways, yeah, mag-isa ako matutulog. Hindi pala, kasama ko pala si Kai mamaya matutulog dito sa kwarto. And si Devin dun muna siya sa sa living room. Ayun. Kagabi, sabi niya kagabi ang ganda daw niya ng kayang tulog dahil hindi siya nagigising pag umiiyak si Kai. So if that's the reason, then maybe his body really needs it. His body really needs the rest. Nanood ako ng vlog ni Hazel King. Muna ako, maliligo muna ako dahil guys, ilang araw na akong walang ligo. Actually hindi, kahapon naligo pala ako kahapon. Kaso hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon dahil ayun nga, ang aking baby boy is fuzzy. So ngayon na lang, kasi sabi ni Devin siya muna ang bahala kay kay Kai, and ako maliligo muna ako. So yeah,